Guests, brand new guests, as a matter of fact, first timers here on the sofa beside me. Closer to me is Pam Butler. Good morning.
Good morning.
Natalie Kimberly's here. Hi, Natalie.
Hi.
Obviously, if it's a Kimberly, I bet it's from the Ankeny office.
Yes.
And a niece, as I understand
Bill's
it, of Bill
niece.
Kimberly.
Mm-hmm.
Wonderful. Well, nice to have you with us. The Kimberly name in Ankeny is at the top of the list, certainly when it comes to reputation and quality, with all kinds of awards. 5 years in a row, Builder of the Year in Ankeny, so the accolades continue for him and his company.
Yep, and Bill's been in the business for over 30 years.
Yeah, it must be great working with your uncle.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Pam, nice neighborhood near the golf course, Briarwood South.
Yes, it is the desired location in Ankeny, close to Northeast Elementary, and just a great community of homes reaching into the millions.
Now here's, speaking of millions, when people hear Kimberly, they normally think of home show homes and expensive property. Well, this is a brand new line of homes, and talk about it, Natalie, because we're keeping those elements of quality, but these prices are amazing.
Right. It's a new area, or a new plat that we started. There's over roughly 30 lots or home sites available, and they have some of the same Kimberly amenities. Stone fireplaces, granite countertops, round corner bead like our bigger homes. We have cultured marble countertops in the bathrooms, vaulted ceilings, as you can see. And then this particular home has a walkout with some finish in the lower level.
So Pam, really, for the most part, you're talking about squeezing square footage down to moderate levels. People in this price range are looking for, a certain amount of square footage. They're not going to have the 5,000 square foot home show home, and pay $1 million. But most of the rest of it's all here.
Yes, they get the quality builder that Bill has built a reputation of building good quality finish.
Exactly.
For a great price.
And of course, can't say enough about Ankeny. There's some easy directions, and if those are confusing, you're not familiar with Ankeny, give Pam or Natalie a call at the Ankeny office or any office of Iowa Realty, or jump online at iowarealty.com. But the schools, second to none perhaps, the retail, recreation all around you, great commute, any direction from Ankeny. So open house?
1 to 4 every Sunday.
Including today, you'll be there
Including
today?
Including today, I'll be there today. Yep.
All right, if you want an affordable home from a great builder, this is your opportunity at Briarwood South in Ankeny with Kimberly. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.